Hey, what's going on, everyone? Going to do a quick simple video on how to replace the external transmission filter for the Allison transmission on a 2006 Duramax diesel. Under the vehicle, go ahead and locate your transmission filter. Grab some filter pliers and go ahead and twist that off. And then go ahead and grab your magnet. As you can see, it stayed on here. Sometimes it'll stick to the filter. So grab that magnet. And what you want to do is just clean it off really good. And then also just clean up where the magnet goes on here. Once your magnet's clean, go ahead and stick that back up there. Just like that. And then go ahead and grab your new filter along with your quart of AC Delco Dexron. And just went with the genuine Allison. You can use the Allison or the AC Delco on, works just fine. Flip that up. And what I like to do is, since you lose fluid when you pour or when you pull the old filter off, I like to go ahead and just fill the new filter with new fluid. So once that's full, you can go ahead and put some around the gasket here. And let's go ahead and put it up in the truck. And I just like to go hand tight on these. But it also says on here, tighten one turn after gasket contacts the base, which is about hand tight, so should be good there. Then you go ahead and pop your hood. Next, I'm going to go ahead and start it. And before you do this job, go ahead and drive it around and get that transmission temperature up to normal range. And as you can see, down there at the bottom left, a little bit below normal temperature range. And then just check to make sure your new filter isn't leaking. So that looks good. And then on the passenger side firewall, go ahead and locate your transmission dipstick. It's going to be this black one here. Go ahead and pull that off. And wipe it one time. Stick it back in there. And pull out. And let's check it. Not sure if you can see it, but looks like we're about right at the H on the hot level. So we should be good because we're not fully warm all the way yet. Just as long as you're in these crosshairs, you'll be okay. And then you can go ahead and shut it off. Alright, so that's going to do it for the video. I'm going to take this for a quick spin, try to get that transmission just a little bit warmer, and then I'll double check my fluid level on the dipstick and add any if I need to. And if you need to add any, you can just go ahead and grab a skinny funnel and just fill it right through the dipstick tube. And again, this was a 2006 GMC Sierra, and I went ahead and replaced the external Allison transmission filter. And check out the description. I'll put links to the filter and the fluid as well. This is cheap insurance. A lot of guys like to do this every other oil change. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, check out my other videos, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.